Ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? Let's dive in. Yawning isn't just about being tired. Scientists believe it could help cool our brains or increase oxygen intake. But here's where it gets interesting. Why are yawns so contagious? Well, it's all about social bonding and empathy. Our brains have these things called mirror neurons. When we see someone yawn, these neurons fire up, making us yawn too. And it's not just humans. Dogs and even chimpanzees can catch yawns from us. How cool is that? Alright, here's a fun challenge. Try watching this video without yawning. Did you make it? Next time you yawn, remember it's more than just tiredness. It's a fascinating peek into our social brains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.